Hey, welcome to the video. Today we're going to take you on a walkthrough of the Junior Swim Up Suite here at the Finest Playa Mujeres. When you first walk through the door, you're going to notice those amazing views out back. But first, we're going to take you through the rest of the suite, starting with this amazing, gorgeous bathroom complete with dual vanity, huge mirror, tons of amenities. So if you forgot your toothbrush or toothpaste, they got you covered. They also have a makeup mirror, a blow dryer, as well as a clothes steamer, so you're all set. Next thing you're going to notice is this incredible floor to ceiling shower complete with a rain shower head. That's going to rejuvenate and help you wake up before you get your day started at the rest of the resort. Excellent lighting, and then if you really need anything else, just give the concierge a call and they'll bring it over to you. Heading into the rest of the suite here, you see, you got your typical TV there hanging on the wall, but hopefully you're not watching too much TV while you're at a resort. You'll notice the decor at the Finest Playa Mujeres is not, it's very modern, it's very clean, it's not your typical Mexican resort. Each of these suites can either come in a king-size bed or two full-size bed, along with this seating area, which with the couch that turns into a sofa bed. So you can really fit about 4 people into a room if you need to. Coming to this work area or just area where you can do your makeup, you can plug in. There are tons of plugs for all your electronics, so you don't have to worry about finding extra plugs everywhere. Now we're going to head into where the money is worth, in this room. This is your private patio area, complete with a day bed, couple of pool loungers, and then it steps right into your private kind of swim up pool here with a hammock that you can lay on and just lounge in the Mexican sun. It's a perfect way to relax. We really enjoyed our time here. Really secluded as well. It's not a huge resort, so you're not going to get people everywhere, kind of walking by. They've done a really good job of just balancing, kind of a liveliness in turn along with privacy at the Finest Playa Mujeres. Each of these suites all have their own little private walkout or swim up pool here, so you can take a plunge, go back into your room, relax, order room service. It's just a nice sanctuary for you to chill. Looking back towards the room here, so this is the day bed that we can lounge on, and right here you see this private jacuzzi that's inside, so you can actually run a nice, really romantic bubble bath for you and your significant other at night. They actually come with bubbles for the bubble bath, as well as some incense, so you can burn that and just create a really nice atmosphere. Heading through the rest of the room here, the all-important mini bars are going to head to next. And I would say the Finest Playa Mujeres does a wonderful job when it comes to in-room amenities. So of course there's your bottled water, both kind of room temperature, as well as they have about 4 bottles of cooled water in the mini fridge here that I'm going to show you. They also have a coffee maker as well as tea, so you can get that replenished throughout the day if you need. So a good selection of beers, sodas, juices, and even chocolate milk. There's a bottle of white wine in there as well. They also come with snacks, so you get your M&Ms, Snickers, Oreos, and you can again get those replenished throughout the day. You just got to give them a call and they'll bring you some from some new ones as you want. The best thing I think about the Finest Playa Mujeres is the full bottle liquor. So each room you can get you get a bottle of red wine and 3 different types of liquor, but you can always ask them for additional ones. Just again, give them a call and they'll bring those out to you. So that's a really quick wrap up of the Junior Swim Up Suite here at the Finest Playa Mujeres. Check out our other videos as well. We've stayed in other rooms here before, and thanks for watching.